I don't think these are right, but let's give it a shot. All right, another episode of Downshift. Shout out to Zed Gear. We need to fix the radio. There's a double DIN that was installed here in the hope of having a better quality entertainment system, but it doesn't look good because of the little piece that goes here that I've been unable to find. I've been looking for it, so we've been trying to have something that allows us to connect our phone. This radio has a USB thingy that allows us to plug in your music on a flash drive or music on an iPhone. So it's an iPod compatible radio, but it's not working as it should. So we're reverting back to the original radio that came with the car, but we're adding something to it. So what we're gonna add allows us to connect our phones via Bluetooth, USB, and all those little things, so that we can play music through the original system. So let me just show you. So if you're familiar with the Mark X's, they come with something like this. This one is a 300G, so it comes with the auto parking feature. We're gonna try and attempt to see if that works, if we can figure out how to make it work. But we're gonna try and put this back, and then we're gonna connect all these wires together with this little item here. So we'll put the link in the description below where you can buy one if you have a Mark X or a radio that is compatible with one of these. That will allow us to connect AUX, charge our phone, and connect a memory stick or whatever it can read to play your music from. So we're gonna start by removing the old radio, and then try and put this one back. To remove this, basically everything just clips in like that. Like that. So this is the CD changer. This is what will power the OEM screen that sits here. So I'm going to remove these vents here, and these you have to gently lift. It didn't sound like it was gentle, but trust me, it was gentle. So this is the kit that we got from eBay. I'll put the link in the description below. So we'll put this down here for now. Microphone. So it comes with a microphone. For this, it connects over there. It comes with a harness. This is the harness. This connects over here, and you will notice that this is a Toyota plug, the same as this. your adapter harness. So it's called 1221 something. I'll put the link in the description below. So this harness is gonna tap power from the source, i.e. one of these. I think this will supply power here and this will supply power here. Because there's only one and we need to connect two, we're gonna take the car power and put it into one of these. We're gonna take the little harness and put it into one of these. Oh, my bad, I don't know. There we go. Are they the same? Yes. So it's gonna go like that, and then it's gonna go power the little box there. And then here we're gonna take the power like source, and we have made a bridge. And then this can plug into here, into somewhere like so. So that now has power.
Come a little closer. We could do it over. Just come a little closer now. We could do it over.
Come a little closer. We could do it over. Just come a little closer now. We could do it over. Come a little closer. We could do it over. Just come a little closer now. We could do it over.
Come a little closer. We could do it over. Just come a little closer now. We could do it over.
Think of the ECU. Okay. Oh, by the way, you can now use the display button here to change stuff on the dash, to see our average kilometers per liter, our range, outside temperature. No, because it gets power from here. All right. So first thing is, do we have reversing camera? We have reversing camera in Japanese. All right. Climate control off is working. So audio is off. To turn on the audio, you need to push that button,
and then the cloud goes.
Okay. So audio is working. We also know steering controls are also working. Right, thanks for watching our channel. Thanks for being patient with us who don't know what we're doing. Please remember to subscribe, remember to like and share our videos. We upload regularly, so at least every week there will be something for you to watch. Maybe when we're working on this car again, we can give you a better review after we figure out how to use this wafer item.
Leave us a comment as well.
Please
Whatever
comment.
you got, give us a comment.
Leave us a comment.
We'll be sure to get back to you immediately as soon as we can.
All right,
Well,
thanks.
no,